everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning Park Group. And I'm thrilled to be with my good friend Ian, the sales manager of Webb Nocatee. Webb Nocatee, everyone, is the hottest new neighborhood in Nocatee, and Ian is going to take us through this magnificent model. So thanks for having us,
Thank
Ian.
you, Heather. Thanks for coming out, you guys. We're excited. So this is the Palmary design, which is a brand new design for us as a company, and this is the first Webb to build it around the country.
That's a huge deal, Ian.
It's 1,858 square feet. The model is modeled at 1,969 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office. Wonderful layout. The feedback has just been spectacular.
And how many models do you have right now in Webb Nocatee?
Total of 7.
7 models. So if you do come and visit, you'll get to tour 7 of their models. And then do you remember how many floor plans you're offering?
Total of 13.
That's a lot.
Yes.
So a lot, and also different variations. So that's a huge thing. So let's walk through the front over here. So tell us about this space. What are people using this? Is this a guest room?
Yeah, so this is one of the guest bedrooms. So this is your main guest bedroom in the home.
Very pretty.
And then it's nice and separated from where the main bedroom is. So you have a nice split floor plan, which we seem to do really well.
And I do like that you separated it from the owner's suite. It's literally on the opposite side of the house at the other end, which is a nice thing.
And then this has been popular. We've opted to put in a walk-in shower in the guest bathroom as opposed to the tub shower combination. So that is something that a lot of our buyers have been doing.
I think it's nicer,
Yeah,
to be honest with you, because then people don't have to step over that tub. All guests don't have to do that. And then can we actually go to the right first, Carling? I love this flex space.
So we've got the open flex room here that we call it a flex room because it is flexible. You can leave it open without the doors. You can add in the glass French doors like we did here, or you can convert it into a 3rd bedroom. So it all depends on how you plan on utilizing that space.
So it can be a craft room, it can be your office. There's so many options, so I love that. And then we have to, of course, go into this great drop space that Ponte Homes did.
Nice.
And I love the size. This is a big area. It's always hard to see on camera, but it really is. So there's plenty of room. And even if you have a pet, you could even, instead of doing the drop zone, you can do a pet area, which is really nice. And then, of course, we have to look at the laundry room. I have to tell you, I told Ian when we came here, I go, of course, it's another great laundry room, and it's wide, and it's long, and so I love this because when you do, like this is a, right here, a front loader, and when you open it, there's still plenty of space behind, so just it's a really nice sized laundry room.
And then garage is kind of to Carling's left, and it's a typical 2-car garage. And a lot of people love having the built-in sink in the laundry room as well.
Oh yeah, thank you for pointing that out. And then hold on, gotta look over. Oh, is this?
That's a huge.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. Y'all, this is the biggest coat closet in Nocatee. I'm not kidding you, it wins. You win. So great, of course, for storage, but to be honest with you, you could really, hey, if you're a bourbon collector, this is gonna be your bourbon closet, okay?
Right.
But you can really turn this closet into something special, and I'm not even kidding, like a wine closet, like a bourbon closet.
Completely
I have heard stories about that.
Nice, Heather.
Okay, look at this open floor plan. So tell us about all the magnificent upgrades.
This has really been the wow factor for this design, you guys. Just a huge open space, tons of windows, natural light coming in. You'll see in the far left, which we'll go closer to that as we get through it, they added the optional sunroom, but this home comes with one of the largest covered outdoor areas of any of our designs. Mammoth entertainment area with the island. Let me get out of the way.
Yeah, get this island, and then look at this, y'all. They put in cabinets. I love that. So if you do have cookbooks, we can put them in there, or if you have nice pots, pans, you know, certain plates, whatever. The cabinet, the amount of cabinets and drawers in this particular kitchen makes you want to entertain, makes you want to cook. You want to have holiday dinners here.
Nice.
That's what this kitchen makes me feel.
Now we did opt for one of our gourmet kitchens. We did the KitchenAid appliances here. And then people really love the soft close doors and drawers.
Love it.
All of your base cabinets with this package come with your roll-out shelves.
That's huge.
People love that.
Yes. And then of course a nice walk-in pantry to our left. And it is a great size pantry. Wow. Yeah, really nice. And just the placement of everything in here, it's an easy flow. That's something. And then again, look at this huge entertainment, like putting all your food over here on this beautiful counter. And then look at all the seating. So they put 4 really nice chairs, but you could really fit more behind here if you did stools.
Sure.
So just pure entertaining. And remember how Ian said that this has one of the largest lanais, covered lanais that they offer? He's going to explain what he means by that, the 2 different options, because this was something that really impressed both Carling and I.
So this has been a great option for a lot of people who like to have additional conditioned space in the home. Normally this is part of your outdoor covered lanai and your sliders would be here, and what we opted for is to enclose it into another conditioned room, and then you still have a huge covered lanai off of it, and then we even did a little extended patio off of that as well. And then on your covered lanais you have the gas stub out for your grill for natural gas, and then we even opted to put speakers in the ceiling to make this a true outdoor entertainment area, which a lot of our owners would like to do.
I love this, and I love it. So if you did choose to keep this conditioned space that Ian just showed you, then it would be smart to extend those pavers. And look, if it's raining, you still have plenty of space that's covered, but then otherwise, look at, I mean, the view. And also in Del Webb Nocatee, you've got pond choices, you've got preserve lots. If you choose, if you prefer interior lots, they have that also. So what's really nice about this community is you have all the different choices for whatever makes you more comfortable. And Ian, tell everybody, how many lots are going to be in Del Webb Nocatee?
We have a total of 854.
854.
854, yes.
And you're offering both single family homes and villas. And they do have, you have 2 different, no, 4? Gosh, how many villa model homes? I'm like, how many? I feel like you guys have so many.
2 different villa designs. We have
That's
one model, which is the larger of the 2, called the Ellenwood.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you get to come out here and see both choices, which I love. Okay, so now we are at the other end of the house, and we are going into the owner's suite.
Perfect. And people like having this little kind of separate hallway as you go into it, so you have a little separation from your living area. But another large bedroom, ample light coming in with the windows. We did the little optional drop soffit tray ceiling.
Beautiful. You really did some magnificent architectural designs in here. I really love the trim work that y'all did, and just different.
Yeah.
And that's what's really nice, because you guys have been here with Del Webb Ponte Vedra, and what's so great with Del Webb Nocatee, it really is new, it's fresh. And as Ian said, it's all new floor plans that Ponte Home has brought here to Nocatee, which is a huge deal that they chose this location.
You're right.
It's because we're the best. Let's be honest.
I agree.
Let's be honest. Okay, look at this.
Wow.
So this is a really long and just big owner's bath. So tell us all about it.
Yeah, so very long vanity. I love the drawer stack in the middle. Two separate sinks. On the left-hand side, we opted for the garden tub just to show people that we do that. The other options, you could certainly make this one large super shower without a door, which has been very popular, and then just a very large walk-in closet at the end.
So, of course, Carling, let's be honest, she loves
I
her
gotta see this closet.
So, a great size closet. And you know, obviously with this model, they put in some wire shelving, but there is so much you can do to customize this.
Sure.
And do just an amazing custom closet if you chose to, because it's great space. And then you do have, let's show this, come around, Carling, because they do have a linen space in here, so it's nice that the linen closet is here, so plenty of room. And then something Ian pointed out that as we go out, I do want to just show you, is he's absolutely correct. If you're here in the bedroom, nobody can see you, excuse me, from your living room. And that's just important because of where the door placement is. So I do like that it is separate. Okay, so also with Del Webb, this is a huge thing. They are building a magnificent amenity center in this community. So can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, so the amenity center is going to be called the Canopy Club, which we're very proud of. It's going to start in the spring of 2020. And then in the interim, we're going to build a lifestyle house, which I was kind of telling you a little bit about. So
Everyone's talking about it.
That's awesome. So that'll be kind of our temporary clubhouse for the residents to use. That's going to open up March, April of 2020. So we'll have that to use as an amenity with a pool, outdoor living area, meeting space, fitness rooms, card rooms, you name it. and then we'll just roll right into the main amenity center once it opens up.
See, so what I love is that Pulte Homes in Del Webb, Nocatee open this magnificent community, and they're going to take their time to build you an amazing amenity center. But right now, they're going to build you the second best amenity center with a lifestyle house. Most builders wouldn't do that. So I will commend you as a builder and a company, because I think that's really important for the residents. But I want to let residents know they also can go down to something that Nocatee is giving you, because you get both. You're going to have Crosswater Park, and Crosswater Park opens also in the spring of 2020.
Nice.
And what Crosswater Park is going to be a great dog park, pools, restrooms, green space, and it will have play equipment. So if you do have some young friends visiting, this will be, or grandkids, this will be a great thing that they can use. And last but not least, y'all, we're 2.5 miles from the paddle launch. That means that you can take the sidewalk the entire way, golf cart of course, 2.5 miles, and go to the Intracoastal Waterway.
Awesome.
So you are 2.5 miles from the Intracoastal for fishing, kayak, canoe, paddleboarding, or having that glass of wine or bourbon, let's be honest, because that's what Del Webbs are known for. All right, y'all, this is Ian, the sales manager of Pulte Homes with Del Webb Nocatee, and thank you so much for watching Walk Through Wednesday. Bye.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.